And it says, again, the kingdom of heaven can be illustrated by a fisherman. He casts a net into the water and gathers fish of every kind, valuable and worthless. When the net is full, he drags it up onto the beach and sits down and sorts out the edible ones into crates and throws the others away. This is the way it will be at the end of the world. The angels will separate the wicked from the godly. Casting the wicked into the fire, there shall be a weeping and gnashing of teeth. Do you understand? Yes, he said, we do. Then he added, those experts in Jewish law, who are now my disciples, have double treasures from the Old Testament as well from the New. May the Lord bless the reading of His word in our hearts.
Tìrẹ láé làwa ṣe, ojúwé kẹrìnlá. Jẹ́ kí a jókòó. Ẹ̀kọ́ kíkà